morning, guys. So I'm in two minds this morning. I'll get straight into it today. Firstly, what a beautiful river that is. I saw platypus in there this morning, tried to get the camera, and all I got were these little ripples. I didn't have the camera with me earlier. But yeah, so today we are off to the Penny Farthing Festival. Well, actually, I read that the festival's not on. It's just the championships. So the Penny Farthing Championships are on in the town of Evandale. And I read that you can actually park in there. Otherwise, I have to walk from here, which is 25 minutes. I'm like, I was sitting here in two minds whether I should actually get the pram out, walk Pablo in, or I just try and drive in. So I'm thinking I might just try and drive in and see if I can find a park. If not, I'll come back here and park and walk. Could be interesting. So I'm just getting this van ready and then we'll go in and see if we can find a park early. Sounds like a plan. Let's go, mate. I don't know if I'm making the right decision because I may lose my spot for tonight. Give it a shot. I can always park somewhere else.
Hold up. I know what you're asking. So what is a penny farthing? The penny farthing is one of the most iconic bicycles in history, known for its oversized front wheel and tiny rear wheel. It was invented in the 1870s as an evolution of the earlier bone shaker bicycle, with a large wheel allowing for greater speed and smoother ride over rough roads. Popular in the late 19th century, it was mainly ridden by wealthy gentlemen, as it was expensive and required skill to mount and ride. Eventually, it was replaced by the safer chain-driven bicycles we know today, but it remains a symbol of early cycling history, and here in Evandale, it takes centre stage once again.
What a good decision it was to bring the van in. I don't think I'll be able to walk him in the pram all the way here. And this way, we're already in town if I need to. Pablo gets too much or anything like that, drop him back in. The beauty of having the van with you. Or if it rains. What a good decision. I like it when things work out. Well, so far.
Alright, Pablo, are you ready to go? Yes, guys, I have a pram, just easy to get him through crowds and helps me juggle all the cameras and be able to film without having to worry about him. Alright, all I need to do is lock up and we're ready to go. So I've just come down a little alleyway so I can chat to you a little bit because, oh, can you see me? It's a little bit, they've got music playing around the town, which is really cool, but really hard for me to chat. So I'll probably dart in and out to try and update you with things, but at the moment people are just turning up and just seeing people dressed up. Some people are dressed up and seeing the penny farthings doing their practice rounds, I guess, but we've got a program and there's a lot of things happening. A lot of things happening today. I think when one race starts, one race finishes, another one starts, so it's gonna be a busy day.
Penny farthing race locally owning Denison. We're all lined up for racing. Starter's gun is ready. I'm a penny farthing. I'm playful, strong and steady. I made this be a replica circa 1875 from the times of Queen Victoria. Take your foot. Now we'll go on.
Alright guys, I had to come back to the van because it is crowded down there and my feet were hurting and needed to change my shoes. I'm going to drop Pablo off for a couple of hours. It's 14 degrees today, 14 to 16 degrees. It is 20 degrees in here. So I'm going to leave him off where I can't take Pablo. I can go have something to eat, I can go into the shops. And I don't have to maneuver around that buggy and I don't have to pull him along. So, I think, my socks out of the way. I think that's going to be a thing. I'll come back and get him a bit later on. I've got a little pass out and let's get back into the festivities. And I think the larger races and parade is happening at lunchtime, so looking forward to that, but it's too busy for the wee man, so he's probably ready for sleep now anyway. Alright, section 2.
And once again,
Chamber of decided to move to Evandale over at McLaren and Arms to get Hazel Brothers in to redo the...
and then it's very close. Streaming and drafting happening back in the pack. That's the quick draft. Simon Reed. Here we go.
I can see better, can't
To the Barrington Tops area. So here they come to the first.
What a day at the Evandale Penny Farthing Championships. The atmosphere was electric. The races were thrilling and I couldn't get enough of the action. From lightning fast sprints to quirky challenges, this event had it all. One of the most entertaining races was the multi-lap challenge, where riders had to sprint one lap, wheel their penny farthing the next, carry it for another, and finally hop back on to ride the last lap to the finish. It was a true test of strength, strategy and balance. Then there was the relay race, where teams of 4, often from the same family or town, took turns racing around the track, each completing one full lap before passing the bike on to the next rider. It was fast, chaotic and an absolute crowd favourite. From high-speed action to creative challenges, the Evandale Penny Farthing Championship is one-of-a-kind spectacle and I loved every minute of it. What a great atmosphere it is today. Hope you can hear me with the announcements are happening all day, but really enjoying it. I really want to come back next time. I wish Tim was here. This is why it's good to bring your motor home, guys, to line up the toilets. Looks like we have bagpipes coming up. Love it.
Plenty of noise for the Morris Gang.
Well, look at that bakery. It's massive inside, but it's so packed. I might be eating lunch back at the van at this point. But we'll see what we can find up the way a little bit. I'm getting a little bit hungry, guys.
I eventually just found a spot on the grass and enjoyed some lunch, soaking up the atmosphere. But the action wasn't just on the track, there was plenty of entertainment off it too. Morris dancers put on a lively performance and a stunt cyclist wowed the crowd with some incredible tricks. It's not just about the racing here in Evandale, but I did find some merch. I didn't buy any myself, but it was a pretty good price. Alright, I think I'm going to call it a day, guys. It is now raining and 14 degrees and I'm freezing. Not sure whether I want to go back in, but I'm going to go back to the van for a little bit and warm up because I am freezing. I should have, it was hot before, hence the hat. That lighting is bad. Please hold. Alright, that is much better. You can see me. Look at Pablo. snuggled in. I told you it was cold. So I've got back to the van and it is just so cold and rainy now. So I think I'm going to call it a day from the Penny Farthing Championships. But what a great day. I have never seen anything like that before. It was really cool to see everyone dressed up and getting involved, and the atmosphere was, well, I guess it is. It was like a small little country town getting together and having a great time. But apparently that is a national championship, so people were there from all over Australia. There were also overseas competitors, so I didn't realize it was so big, but I had such a great time, albeit a bit busy. But I kind of liked that because you get the whole atmosphere of it. So what I'm going to do, a plan now is, do I move on and continue our food trail, or do we stay in Evandale for another night and just hunker down because of the weather? I think because it's raining, I don't really want to take this van out, and especially after a long day, I think I'm going to go back to Evandale. Hopefully, cross fingers guys, there is a space for me back down where we were. So let's get ready to get moving again. It's full on here, full on, full up. Rain. I just hope this place hasn't filled up because I really want to stay there tonight. The risk you take, eh? Would you believe my spot is still there? Unbelievable. Oh, right there, next to my van. Not only that, guys, it's perfectly level. Again. My luck today. Let's put this back up in case the sun decides to come up. So while this rain's on, I am back at Evandale now, completely flat. I can't believe it. And the same spot. I can't believe I was going to walk in there with the pram. 25 minutes in, 25 minutes back, and I would have had to walk through this rain. Anyway, good decisions made today. So I am going to sit here and do some editing for the rest of the day, so I will leave you there. I really hope you enjoyed the Penny Farthing Championships. I hope I gave you something you've never seen before, because I certainly haven't been to anything like that, and I truly enjoyed it. So if you get a chance and you're down here, head over there. It was quite fun. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all our subscribers. Thank you so much to all our members, and if you haven't become a member already, click the join button below. You will get 4 videos ahead. We're 4 videos ahead at the moment, and you'll see exactly where we are, or more current videos than you will be seeing now. But we will see you next time, guys. See you. Oh, leave a comment. Leave a comment. Tim's going to say something. If I don't say it, leave a comment.